strong in this situation that we don't understand. She is strong and all we can see is broken pieces. Yeah, understand me? So for Blinga as a mother and a woman who has been through it and still I got through it, and what do you want little boy jump out a Blinga hole? What do you little boy swing off a Blinga cliff? Just the other day, and for Blinga attack say about this little girl, let's see when she spoke about Unique. It's sad. It is sad. It is sad when our parents jumpstart and birth us early. You understand me? So we start aging and we see younger fruits coming up like all the blossoms. You know, we envy them. It is so sad. All of we get the same 24 hours, no matter how late we come out early. And she crushed the little girl. She had tried to tear down the little girl. If sickness not carry home Anna her fatality, she's going to outlive your Blinga. Cause even your diamonds under your eye wrinkle. No, think of it, it's true. It is so true. You see, chastising different from tearing down, you know. And Blinga as a mother should have known, say, you know, tear down a little girl, she had 21. Me not in the life, some of our granny breed earlier than Mary. No, some of our granny breed at 12. Mary got pregnant at 14. Some of our granny breed earlier than Mary. So I don't know what wrong with that 21-year-old. It's just that it's not your age, Anna, that push for maturity. It's not your age. It's not your age that push for maturity. Make people tell like some people were one mature more than me, and them are 1 year old. You see, experience is supposed to bring forth maturity. Experience. Because when you experience something, you automatically mature into it, so you're no longer experiencing this. Alive? It brings forth maturity. That's why the job don't take you without experience, because they want to know that they're taking a mature individual. For true. We often sit down and go on like say, we don't know better. People always are going to breed. Young girl always are going to breed. Cocky always are going to go in a batty and mouth. Yeah, my babies. You understand me? Always are going to go in a batty and mouth. Some things we can't fight. So when you come at our door, how we deal with it? Girl always a go breed early. Girl always a go breed early. About your brothers and sisters, Anna, have them out. If you can breed 3 times in a 1 year chance, it broke record. Have them out. Have them out. Have them out. Somebody got to breed for us. You have some people who are going and can't breed. I mean, I defend Anna. But Anna, when me I try to say to you now, little girl, oh, if I breathe in a shit pit like that, no, my love. And I remember saying you don't have no good bed in a start life, you depend on mine a tough mattress you have. So are them something they know make people crash you, Anna. Because how can you breathe in a shit pit? Anna, how can your mother not have it and you not having it, and you go breathe for somebody who really don't have it and I look it? Tell me the truth now, Anna. You switch by you drop off a farm for 21 gun salute for your crutches. You switch by you drop off a farm now. Just like Unique. How Unique for breed when she look help. You see the difference? Just like how girl that talk say, oh, broke man cocky for stand up. Once you broke how you would for stand up. Once you not have it how you for breathe. This is what me always ask people. You want a child in a poverty? Me no want you tell me say me I do well for myself so me can take in somebody else. Go suck your mother. Eh? You feel me I do well for myself. I saw it look down. How me feel? Me know say hungry at me experience hungry. Me experience hunger. A lot of us like to take our mistakes and justify them. And that's why young girls learn from it. If Blinga never breed early and dash out her front and a flick her front like her chick. Eh? If she never did flash her crutches like her chick, Miss Blinga wouldn't know how cocky feel. Miss Blinga can't tell me say she a virgin to take when she had 2021. Miss Blinga virgin to take from up in her mother. Up in her mother. If you don't mind sharp or rape, would I bring Blinga? Me nah ask you. A criminal come bring Blinga. Oh, that's why Blinga can come on the internet and behave like a dog. You saw me love prison man, cause when my father come from prison, he breed my mother. Oh, so you know chick na fly far from the block. So why Blinga is a slut? Why Blinga is a dog? Blinga mama must did a whore. Blinga name Draway. Blinga little wrist supposed to tired. Yeah. Because every testosterone all and yes of a Blinga growing up. Blinga little blood supposed to can't circulate. Yes, it's supposed to circulate slow. Them part, yeah. Yeah. You can't do that. Nobody learns from Anna's mistake. Nobody now learn. Everybody I try to justify Anna's situation. Everybody. What Anna is going through is when nobody will soon go through. We're not talking about the ones who have gone through it before and who are going through it now. What about the ones who not experienced this yet? It's an eye-opener. Yes, it's out there. Anna is 21. She breed for one boy who claimed to say him have him woman overseas and don't want her. And him tell her every day say him don't want her and she a latch on. Yes. How much shall we have as mothers? When we have a young girl, we tell them say don't do with a boy there and only ram tally. We can't tell them nothing of that boy them say loving and love likes and following. How many of us? Eh? How many? A lot. We just give our catches to the wrong person. When God make Anna live for say 30 and Anna go realize say Judge a star. You know, Anna will say Judge a star. Me sorry. God know me sorry, me let down myself. That's why then people say, me hurt, oh them let me down. Me not hurt when people let me down. Me expect people to let me down. Oh, your hand must get tired when I time for you to hold me up. Good God, man. I want the earthquake make me run from round and back to round and front. Eh? Even the building them tired. Tired. Yeah, me say me run non-stop. Me say the Bible right. When him say you run to the mountain and the mountain I run from you, me say me hear the earthquake are coming from way down so you know, and me I try beat it round you so. Oh, I want you me gallop. When I come and go on, enough for we granny, that's why I tell you every day, enough for we granny mouth, courage catch cause she suck out through bush. Yeah. Enough for we granny mouth when she suck the wood them her lips swell. You don't think she do it. But now what like a new things are going. What did we learn? How can we learn from Anna's situation? What is there to learn? Catch O, your mother, ball catch O. Girl up here. And girl up here, I think I came and as my last name. Yeah. Everyone loves a good story. You understand me? Everybody loves a good story, especially one that lays with negativity. A lot of persons do. But what is the message in all of this? You're gonna say Anna is a slut and a dog. Of course she is that for now. I remember I am still a slut and a dog. You understand me? I am still a slut and a dog. So if the little girl a slut and a dog, makes a slut and dog out our youth. Someone will coke out with youth. I like me I tell, someone will carry the things, the white lady up in a way when we're young. When we're young, we carry the white something, the substance in a way with the pan flight and just a come. We just a come for ourselves. We come for 10 hours. Because we make it in a dildo, a tampon. Every turbulence the plane experience is a good come. Are you alone upon while others scream? No, some could talk. That's what we did in our youth. Some of we party and take different man. I like our skill we not breed. That is what we do in our youth. Some of we go school. Some of we school out with youth. And we still can't get a job with happy summer. Actually, you know, some of we go school from we young till we old and can't get no work. Lord, my brightness I take over. Don't mind the intellectual murder people remission. No, I don't have no control and decency. I don't have no decorum. I don't have nothing about me. Yeah. A lot of us do a lot of things in our youth. In our youth. When maturity are catch through, we say we mistakes little by little it has stress away. What did you do when you were energetic? What were you doing with your energy? Some of us suck out with youth. For true, my baby, it's not lie. Some of us suck out with youth. When we get mature now, when you look back, that's why I tell you, see, experience is a bitch. You see, memories don't live like people do. They will always remember you, whether things that good or bad. It's just the memories that you have. In the words of Bounty Killer. No, it's true. You see, you see, make a lot of mistakes. You know why you call them mistakes? Because those are experiences which you never learn from. An experience where you never learn from. You look back and say, I whole heap of money me hold in my life. Now is the time to spend the cash. I been a man where I always give Bounty Killer it. No, for sure. Now is the time to spend the cash. I always tell people say, you can never say you live bad from day one and walk and curse yourself. And say, I don't know if for the month, my band, the family, my last name. No, you live bad from early for dead good. You never know. You live bad from day one to die good. You think it's the life where we live now precious? Come suck me, huh? One thing we know the Bible say now. The Bible said the devil is the prince of this world. At one time God ever attached the devil to being God. And then when him say he's the God of this world. So when you try to run on the things of this world, who you think you pray to forget it? The devil. Why you think everybody will claim to say them at and them splash and them have to go up? Them have to trick somebody. You understand me? Them have to rob somebody. Them have to lie to get what they want. Eh? Remember, the devil is a liar and the father of it. So if you have to lie to get what you want, you don't think you please the prince of this world. So we will pay more attention to this life, knowing that death is inevitable. Death is inevitable. I would love to say we come from the earth and we are go back there. If you know say God called you from the earth and we are go back there, you know where for the answer to we coming home. What did you do when you were on earth? Who you worship, who you praise. And this is all, you see, because the devil loves to be in control and want to compete with God. That is why we are like this. Remember, we're born in a sin and shape in a iniquity. If he's the prince of this world, that we're born in his world, where we're born in a sin and we shape out in our iniquity. So when you see people roam the net and acquire and tell lie and go to the lowest farm, you know what time it is and you love wear Rolex. You don't know what time it is. You don't know what time it is. And a lot of us sit down and a lot of us go on for now. For now. And when pandemic did come, reality it enough away that death is real. And after death comes the judgment. Ask anybody who is sick and upon them deathbed. Ask them. You sit down and talk to them. And ask them and see if them not tell you. Say, make me tell you, make your soul right. Because when your soul is snatched from your body, that's when reality of maturity about spirituality hits you. And somewhere you can't ignore your lifeless. You're lifeless. Some people don't have a chance to experience it. It goes so fast for them. It goes so fast. And we sit down today every day and try to acquire materials of this world that can't save us in the afterlife. We sit down and we know the right. And because of the spirit we have in a way, we shun it. And it's easy to shun. It's easy. Very easy to shun. And we sit daily. And we watch all of this where happen round way. And we criticize it instead of learning from it. We criticize it. We tear it down. Yeah, we pick side, we talk who right from who wrong. And we forgot pick side next time again. Because Anna is maturing, younger ones that come up, you know. Somebody gonna fall prey to this again. We not take our share. If we say, what have I done? How best have I impact this society, this crew, this creed, whom I come across? Eh? So we're going to see and say, Anna a slut and dog, yes. She's a slut and a dog now. And that's how best we can describe her situation because of our vocabulary. We understand that. You understand me? So yes.